As a leading expert in the field of thread cutting dies, year after year, Nicopas has consistently been able to produce supreme quality, standard as well as non-standard dies as per customer specification. The founder and the face of Nicopas, who is hugely responsible for today's consolidated position of the company, is the managing director of Nicopas himself, Mr. Dilip Sawant.
Hello, I'm Dilip Baburao Sawant, Managing Director, Head of Nicopas Engineering Private Limited. We are in production since year 1979 and have completed 35 years. We produce thread cutting dies under the brand name NKP. 60% of the production is exported. NKP dies are appreciated for its quality and performance by the actual users such as ordnance factories, BHEL, aeronauticals, railways, automotive industries, electrical, electronic components manufacturer, etc. Ours is the only company manufacturing and die nuts to various standards, specifications and to suit individual requirement. We have produced many first domestic as well as international market. Our BSP dies are being extensively used by hardware industries. At present, we are the only company producing NPT BSP dies successfully. Our observation is that dies are used properly, it can give better productivity than CNC machines. We have in-house world-class facility to produce master toolings as well as heat treatment facility. Our master tools are very precise and each master tool is checked for its thread performance. Yes, it is correctly said that NKP dies cost you less as they produce more. While taking care of our product, we have taken care of our workforce. We have dedicated workforce. We believe that a satisfied workforce is a key factor for company's success and progress. Over the years, we have had a good experience in marketing all over the world. Thank you.
With an enormous amount of experience and expertise in the field of thread cutting tools, Nicopas Engineering Private Limited has become one of the leading players in the Indian market, while also fulfilling a reasonable share of thread cutting tools demands globally. Nicopas has its manufacturing facility located at MIDC Tarapur in Maharashtra, which is one of the biggest manufacturing hubs of India. For its main operation of forming threads on the dies, master toolings are used which are manufactured in-house. With the help of advanced Carl Zeiss microscope facility, we believe not in meeting but beating the tolerance levels of quality. In-house heat treatment facility enables Nicopas to have total control over the quality of the dies. This is the secret of Nicopas's consistency in quality.
I, Srikant Deshpande, Chief Executive Officer, Nicopas Engineering Private Limited, believe in genuine, ethical business practices at all times. To us, customer is God. We offer best quality at most economical prices. If you feel price is higher compared to competitors, however, it is not so. I repeat, you may compare output with precision as well. You will realize higher production with precision is giving you higher profits. More profits means better satisfaction. enjoy better profits from NKP brand products. We welcome your specific inquiries for special die and diners.
Nicopas has been exporting in various countries like New Zealand, Australia, Singapore, South Africa, Turkey, and UK. Unending obsession with quality and precision of Nicopas has resulted in successful reduction in the tooling costs of our varied clients. It is the sheer performance-based reputation of NKP dies that has helped Nicopas add more names in its customer list.
I am Santosh Valam, Deputy Manager Production, K-Infra. We are manufacturing carburetors for two-wheeler and three-wheeler market. NKP is supplying us trading dies. NKP is a very good substitute for us for the imported dies, and we have got the major benefit on account of the productivity, quality as well as the cost reduction.
I am Manoj Kadam, working in tool room department as a deputy manager. We are working with NKP products for last 2 years, and they are very technically sound people, and we are very much satisfied with the performance of the dies supplied by them, and we are getting very good productivity and cost per piece reduction in the product.
Over the years, Nicopas has produced master tools ranging in thousands of varied sizes, specifications, and thread forms, which are stored in huge reserves located in the factory itself. Our tagline truly defines who we are. Nicopas, obsessed with precision.